All right, YouTube, Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, back at it again with another video. This time we are working on the trunk of the Acura. We have all the wires ran to the back. We've got our second battery back here. Ground wires ran, power wire coming in. Now it's time to make this thing pretty with the amp rack. Get this box bolted down. Again, these are two CTsounds 12-inch Miso subwoofers. Very heavy subs. Right now they're not installed until I get to the end. But stay tuned. Again, get your snacks, popcorn, whatever you want. It's gonna be a good one. Push to the end. Acura, big bass, CTsounds. Chase is still barking. Let's go get him. Stay tuned. And just like that, YouTube, amp rack is all done. Got your 6-channel down on the bottom, your mono block for the subs on top. Fuse holders are about to go in. I'll have on the next video a finale. Everything will get carpeted. Just like this piece back here I made. Came out pretty good. Subs are all installed. So stay tuned. Click like, share, subscribe. Get ready for the finale. The Acura TSX. Install, loud, bass, clarity, everything all in between. Stay tuned.